Today on driveway, we're going to be taking care of this lower intake manifold, getting it slightly ported out, get rid of some of that casting flash, and so on and so forth. So we got a parts washer to clean off the grime from the last 10 years, and we'll move from there. So stick around and check it out. All right, well, as you can see here, there's all sorts of casting flash. You can see the seam working in here in all these ports. So all that we're going to do is clean it up, probably port match it to where these little chamfer edges are. Just kind of radius it out, clean it up. So that way we get a little better flow. These we can super polish because there's no fuel in these lines. So yeah, anyways, clear it up so none of this EGR stuff grabs onto it. Get it a lot cleaner. So let's get washing her out here. All right. It's just a simple parts washing solution. Old school parts washing. I think this guy might actually be older than I am. All right, well, nice and clean. So now we gotta let her dry off, and then we'll start hitting these sharp edges with the porting wheels and see where the whole thing takes us. All right, we got the lower intake ready to roll. So we can start the porting process. As you can see, the ports are pretty well non-matched to the gasket. You can see even where the manufacturer kind of ground it down just to get a little less of a lip on there. The upper intake manifold that the supercharger is attached to is actually port matched to the gasket already, so we just have to match her up a little bit. So what I'm going to do, get a little bit of red spray paint. Should give a rough outline of where we need to hit in the ports. Alright, so that's basically one option you have. Another option that's probably going to be a little bit better is if you just spray her down, get an even coat on there. And then once it's dried up a little bit, place your gasket over. And hold it in place. And then take something with a sharp point. And scribe around each port. So now when you look at it, you can see exactly where each of the ports should be hogged up to. It's like some of these are actually pretty good on one side and others of them are pretty well off. But there's that. Set these guys off out of the way again. And we'll just grab our electric die grinder and rough out our port. All right, I think we got all the ports cleaned up. Now we're just gonna block sand off this guide coat that we put on. And it should leave a perfectly flat surface. Just hit these guys too, just for fun. All right, not too bad. I think we'll go take it over to the parts washer again, wash out all the ports so we don't have any aluminum left over. All right, there it is, all cleaned up. Nice smooth ports. And I got it some black powder coat. So it's ready to go back on the car. All right, well that is a wrap on today's video. We got ourselves our lower intake manifold all nicely spiffied up. So now that we got that done, we can actually move for the rest of the time, just shoving this thing back in the car and getting it going again. So stick around, subscribe, and come back and see more.